Lifestyle. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be. Douglas Family Lifestyle. Thanks to all new subscribers that subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your likes, comment, and your share. Thank you very much. Well appreciated. Happy Thursday to all. Blessing and love. I'm just on the bus going to town. So just want to say thank you to all subscribers, all viewers. Thank you very much. Making me reach so far. Well appreciated. Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing good. No. Douglas Family Lifestyle in the house. Thanks to our new subscriber. Thanks to everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Douglas Family Lifestyle TV. How you doing, my people? It's raining and it's snowing. There's a little snow in the rain. I'm in town. It's so cold and wet. So cold and wet. Cold and wet. Nothing much to see right now because it's getting up to 9 o'clock in the morning, so business and everything just opening up. That's the way it goes. Douglas Family Lifestyle. If you're new here, please remember subscribe, comment, share, and like. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get to 1,000. Ooh. Early morning walk to town. Douglas Family Lifestyle. How you doing, my people? Wow. Don't know if I can sing, but it's raining a bit. And it's ice rain. Normally I would have in my bed right now in the morning. But to come down to conduct business, you know. I have to get out of bed and move it. Woo. I'm on it. City of Leeds. City of Leeds. Early morning walk in the town center. Wow. Thank you my people for watching. Thank you for liking. Do remember, comment, like and share. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Please comment, like and share. Douglas Family Lifestyle. For now. Not for now.